Hi, I'm Jim. I'm with the product development team here at Stronghold. I'd like to introduce you to the 18-gauge heavy-duty cabinet. This video is intended to be your user guide, so when you receive and install your unit, it'll give you some tips on the usability and the care of your unit. When you receive your new 18-gauge cabinet, it'll come fully wrapped, double banded, and on a wood skid. This is also that you receive it undamaged and safely to your location. In addition, when you do receive it, do not leave it outside into the elements. We have a green sticker here to remind you of that. This is to make sure that water doesn't infiltrate and potentially cause some paint damage. After you unwrap your unit and open it, you'll see that we have an installation sheet on the inside. This installation sheet goes over how you bolt your unit to the floor, and also we have some warning stickers. Make sure you understand the warnings that are given here. This has to do with anti-tip and giving the capacities of the unit. When you determine where you want to put your cabinet, please make sure that the floor is flat and level. If it's not, as simulated by this wood block here, the doors may stick a little bit upon opening. To rectify that, you just simply need to shim the unit. Simulate the level floor, doors open up nice and smooth. So if you have unlevel floors, just a simple shim. Piece of metal like this, small thin metal, to basically place underneath the corner of the cabinet to level out the floor. The instruction sheet to lag the product to either a wooden floor or a concrete floor come with the product. So on this instruction sheet, if you follow it, you would take a lag bolt and through the hole provided, you would essentially bolt it down into the floor. Our product is painted in a heavy industrial enamel coating, which is very durable. In order to clean the product, all you have to simply do is wipe it down with a damp rag. You can also use a Windex type product. Do not use any solvent-based cleaners because that could damage the finish. Our heavy-duty cabinets are well designed and very sturdy. However, they're also easily movable around your office or your facility with a standard hand truck. All of our 18-gauge extra heavy-duty cabinets come with electrical mounting holes on either side of the back. All you do is to run your electrical either conduit or utility cord through this and up through the inside through the mounting holes. When you do this, just make sure that you adhere to all your local codes or regulations. Each of the shelves on this cabinet are adjustable on 3-inch centers. It's also without any tools. And how we achieve that is with this clever locking clip. This clip is in each of the 4 corners of the shelf, and we also have a unique locking pin feature. Okay, it's very easy to adjust the height of the shelves in the cabinet. Just simply remove the locking pin, remove the shelf, put this aside, and reposition each of the 4 locking tabs. I'm going to move this up 1 position. And now I'm ready to put the shelf back in. Okay, the shelf support system made up of the clip and this locking pin, as we just went over. This actual locking pin is not required in use of your product in daily use. We put it in there for shipping so that each of the shelves are secured during that process and you receive a fully assembled cabinet. So it's not necessary for the ongoing use of your cabinet. Our 18-gauge heavy-duty line has a full suite of drawer models. This particular model has 6 drawers in it. Each drawer rides on high-quality roller bearings and has a 100-pound capacity. One of the nice features that we have built into each of our drawer models is interlocking drawers. So you can only open 1 drawer at a time. Each of the other drawers is locked until you close it. As I mentioned earlier, we recommend bolting all of our cabinets to the floor. But in the case of drawer models like this one, you must, per our warning label, bolt it to either the floor or to the wall. So in order to bolt it to the wall, we have a series of holes along the back edge, and you would simply take the lag bolt and in 2 locations, bolt it to the wall. What we're looking at here is the underside of the cabinet. All of these cabinets have this reinforcing rib here. This adds structural stability to the base, as well as it's the platform that catches the hand truck when you're moving your cabinet around your facility. What you can also see from this angle is the electrical access holes that you would run your conduit through. This series of cabinets, the handles, have an exclusive feature to Stronghold. It has a cylinder lock. The key comes with the product, shipped with it on the inside. and you can additionally put on a padlock. Our shelf cabinets ship with 3 adjustable standard shelves. You can purchase additional shelves by calling customer service. The bottom is actually flush and flat and can be used as additional storage. We also offer a full line of bin cabinets. Each of the cabinets will be full with bins. They're all mounting the same way. So you have a notch on the back side of the bin that simply clips in to the back panel. So that concludes our video user guide. If you have any additional questions, please call us at Stronghold.